beloved celebrant, Mommy Ami, as she celebrates her golden age at this kind of hour. Before we officially begin tonight's celebration, allow me to introduce the woman of the hour, the reason we're all dressed up, smiling, and eagerly waiting for the celebration. Some people say age is just a number. Well, tonight, Mommy Ami has reached a number so impressive that it deserves its own standing ovation. So, ladies and gentlemen, prepare your loudest cheers, biggest smiles, and warmest applause as we welcome the birthday celebrant herself, the beautiful, brilliant, and absolutely fabulous Mommy Ami as she celebrates her golden milestone of 50 years. Let's give a meaningful round of applause for our birthday queen as she turns 50. Let's welcome Amelia Francisco! Yeah! Happy birthday, Mommy! Isa lang ang pa dyan muna, Mommy. Isa lang pa. Isa lang pa, isang sayaw. Yes! Wala bang malakas na palakpakan dyan? Yes! Ayan. So, Mami Ami, you may not take your seat po. Ayan. Thank you all for coming tonight to celebrate Mami Ami's 50th birthday. We are so lucky and happy to have all of you here to share this special day with us. Before we start our celebration, let us first thank God for His blessings and for giving Mami Ami another wonderful year of life. May I invite everyone to please stand for our opening prayer. Let's all stand before the opening prayer. Dear Heavenly Father,